Hello there and welcome to my channel Good Works. Today we're going to plant an elderberry bush that I've grown in this pot for a year or so, and we're gonna... Oh, it's a leopard. Look at this. The video begins with leopard snail. They say it's very good to have them because they can eat the other bad Spanish snail that is really invasive. So yeah, just a bit slimy. Anyways, we're going to plant the blackcurrant bush. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So I will just make a line behind me. I got a small patch that I will plant those. We will cut them down to stimulate new growth, and that there will be more branches because we want nice and bushy bushes. Yes, let's get started. I will just clear this area with my grass trimmer. So I'm going to plant those about 5 feet apart from each other. So they will have about 3.5 feet to widen out on each side. I have a lot of space, so I could go for a wider spacing than that. But yeah, I'd like to expand my garden so I don't take too much space. But I think 5 feet is going to be a very good distance. Stop. Okay. I'll make a square, and I will make the hole about 2.5 feet wide. So I'll just loosen up the soil. So I will just keep all that soil and use it, and I will show you what else I have. So to mix up things, I've got myself some animal manure. This is from bison. So this is bison manure and just straw, and I got some good old soil bag to bring the humus to the soil. So I'll just mix the three ingredients together, and we take it from there. Little bit of that, a little bit. Okay, so you might be wondering why I have such an enormous hole for these so small pots. Well, it's because I will try something new. I will try to make a little wall out of wood here so the grass won't creep in, because I don't have all days to sit and weed, so I got to do something about it, because my other trees are just overwhelmed by all those weeds everywhere, so they won't grow anything. So I will see if I can fix that by adding a wooden frame. Some of you might argue that this will break down, and you're right about that, but it probably won't happen within the next 10 years, so I think this will be okay. So there's our wooden frame. We'll see if it does any good. But now let's put in those little guys. Where did the other one go? There. Yes. We got some weeds. Just see, get those out. Don't have a great root system, but hopefully things will start happen soon. That ain't. So I'll just show you what it looks like. It's two small guys. Got some roots. They aren't big at all, just 20 centimeters, almost a feet, or not even that, half a feet maybe. But we'll plant them. On the surface level. I think they will be fine. Just like this. Little bit apart, so they will spread out nice and even. So I just make them firm. I think this is okay. And I will water. Meanwhile, I will dig the pit for the elderberry tree. I will just put it in a big water barrel and let it drench real good. So it will be nice and moisture, and the roots will suck up enough water to be planted. Okay. Loosen it up. Oh, got a big rock. So now let's make the wall, the frame, the wood frame. Oh. Now let's grab some compost, and as you can see, this is just too much of this soil, so I'll have to remove some. Take a bit of planting soil for the drainage. and a bit of bison manure, broken down bison manure. So be nice and nutritious in there. Okay, mix up some of the old soil. Let's just release it. Just press it like this to get the tree to loosen up from the bush. Okay. And have some excessive soil here. And also we have some dangerous weeds. Loosen up this. Well, have to dig deeper. Oh, looks like we have too much soil here. You can see. So here we go. Now it's going like that. And the last step is just to stretch some grass together and put on top on the soil to so the roots, so the seeds won't sprout, the weed seeds won't sprout. So that's it. This is our elderflower or elderberry tree, and yeah, this is the finished results. Very quick and easy, and if you have some stuff lying around, it's all free. So it's a good way to plant a bush or a tree. So that's it, everybody. Behind me we have 6 new dug holes with a wooden frame out of recycled materials, and this is what it looks like. Now you don't really see the bushes, I know that, but next year I hope that they will flourish and be a big fruit-bearing bush. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. See you next time. Goodbye.